About 9:15 this evening, members of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, acting on information, was conducting a vehicle checkpoint at the intersection of Maxfield Avenue and Balmoral Avenue. They saw a Probox taxi motor car approached and they signaled this vehicle to stop. Whilst they were conducting investigations, a passenger in the vehicle sought to use lethal force in the form of a firearm against the officers. One of the officers reacted and the person was shot and the firearm retrieved. I've noted in the past where persons have sought to take public passenger vehicles in a bid to transport firearm and other contraband. And as such, we are onto it that we carry out our enforcement responsibilities to keep Jamaica safe.